In the competitive world of industrial fabric, quality is your reputation. Woven polyester fabric is the foundation of high-performance material. I'm Voss from Dulatite New Material. Today, let's talk about woven industrial polyester fabric. Crafted from high-strength polyester yarns, our fabrics boast exceptional tear resistance and long-lasting UV protection, making them the perfect choice for PVC-coated and laminated tarpaulins and other demanding applications. Our advanced weaving techniques ensure that each fabric maintains dimensional stability and structural integrity. With a wide range of specifications, weight, weave, and width, whether it's for construction, transportation, agriculture, or environmental protection, our woven fabrics are versatile enough to adapt to any requirement. Choose our innovative materials for increased lifespan of your tarpaulins, reduced warranty claims, and the assurance of uncompromising quality. Join the ranks of industry leaders who trust our industrial woven fabrics, the strength beneath the surface that drives efficiency and progress across various sectors.